Design is so much more than just the appearance alone. It's the way something functions on many particular levels. Ultimately, of course, quality defines a tremendous amount of our user experience, leaving us with only one question: how are quality cabinets truly defined? In an industry where quality is the most essential factor, we've considered this matter time and time again. After performing a thorough analysis alongside industry professionals, the definition of quality cabinets has been narrowed down to 12 unique attributes. Collectively, these 12 simple but significant pillars have been given an even simpler name: Quality 12, or as we like to call it, Q12. Starting off with exceptional pure raw materials, carefully selected top-grade lumber will guarantee the finest and most dependable kitchen cabinets. With a rigorous inspection process, a sense of perfection and strength is established right from the very beginning. Designs with a real coherence are the result of developing form, material and colour in unity. Finishing the cabinets with professional finesse using renowned paint brands gives way to a significant product that will maintain its beauty for years. To create something built for the highest level of performance, solid interlocking frames with a custom dovetail construction method must be used for an outcome that is reliable and uncompromisingly durable. Ensuring a resilient build through anti-warp structures comprised of rigid plywood beams establishes strength and resistance to any distortion that may occur. The simple incorporation of an all-wooden cohesive structure is a clear representation of durability and attention to detail. Wooden corner blocks help maintain structural integrity across the entire build. Solid half-inch plywood is an integral part of the structural system that increases the dexterity of the product. By applying prime craftsmanship, Q12 lines introduce an unparalleled level of innovation, combined with a design that offers a seamless handling. Flat surface top and bottom interior planes result in a cabinet with convenient and practical usage. In most cabinets, interiors are finished with applied lining. By upgrading interior features through top treatment techniques, the end results are more refined and easy to clean. Instead of just seeing the beauty and refinement, you will experience it too. Incorporating Bloom's Tandem Plus Bloom Motion hinges for their extraordinary technology in producing the most fluid performance is something called soft closing action. The result is truly enduring and coherent, with quiet and smooth running cabinet doors and drawers. Employing Bloom's full extension gliders for enhanced running action will maximize the storage area like never before. Manufacturing cabinets with the Tandem Plus runners and soft close technology ultimately prevents damage and depreciation. Using custom aluminium parts that allow for an easy 3/8 of an inch adjustment give way to balance and precision, assuring a perfect alignment of any drawer front. Lastly, a signed documentation attached to the product establishes that quality is applied across the entire process, guaranteeing the product is built for extreme levels of performance. This stamp of approval instantly shows consumers that the cabinet was tested and approved by true professionals. These 12 fundamental yet intuitive facets together enhance the cabinet user's overall experience. Simply put, Q12 is quality redefined.